guys, it's me, Cody. Today, welcome to Severe Weather Part 4. We are currently under a severe thunderstorm warning right now. This would have been part of the video, but I accidentally ended the last one. So I went ahead and continued. I hit my go to home button and it ruined the video. So this is part 4 of it. Right now there's rotation coming right for us, which is a very great sign. We're under a severe thunderstorm warning right now.
This is going to be crossing over 26 just to the south of Freeport. At least that area of circulation is going to be. So this is moving off to the northeast at 55 miles per hour. So this is moving fairly quickly here. So as we put that storm track on, and it gets a little bit further there into parts of Stevenson County, areas that could very well be impacted from that. You're looking at the Alberta's airport here. Actually, pretty much right now, it's pretty much right over top of that, or at least getting very, very close to it. German Valley, right at Winneshek, you're looking at about 710, kind of running off of the National Weather Service, looking at some additional areas here. So again, this is going to pass
The lights over there.
Here of the Freeport area, where we do have that tornado. But again, it's for that kind of area of circulation.
See, it's coming right for Winnebago, Nana. That's excellent. Thank you for ruining that, dog. And in the recording for part 4, under a severe thunderstorm warning with rotation coming right for us. To edit this video because I just got the message for a severe thunderstorm warning. It automatically opened information about it, so it ended the recording again. So we still have that severe thunderstorm warning.
Stevenson County, northwest, or it's actually moved out of Carroll County. So Carroll County, you're kind of in the clear. You still do have a severe thunderstorm warning out, but that line is pretty much to the east of you, and the worst is to the east of you. Now, I do not want to neglect the area down here because this is looking a little bit.
Isn't that an oval?
I don't want to say ominous, but this does have a little bit more of kind of a rounded and kind of hook signature. And you can see that here just to the north of East Grove. So this area also within a tornado.
It automatically opens stuff for the severe thunderstorm warning. I finally got that notification. I can't text Dad back because I'm in the middle of a video. Oh, don't end my recording again because I thought I hit the button. I thought it's 15% already. Why does battery go so slow? Or my battery go so fast? I hate it. I hate battery. Real. No, it doesn't look bad right now. It's not even raining out one bit. It's like no rain. It's not even raining. It's not even raining right now.
Did you hook the screen door? How the sheets out?
Me?
The one by the driveway?
No. Well, you unlocked it earlier. Earlier ago.
Too much at work this week? Take some ibuprofen.
Lamp turned down over there. Who texted you?
Yeah.
Did he say about the basement? There's no tornado warning. Why is he asking? Is this severe? Today's March 31st. Tomorrow's April 1st. You might get through this successfully. Maybe I won't die. We haven't got a tornado warning yet. Real. This is the rotation.
only thing about spring and summer I hate. Yeah.
Why?
Just hate it.
Bullshit severe weather.
Yeah.
I like fall. Well, this tells me we're literally at the end of March. This is the last day of March, and we're sitting here with severe weather. How are we not under tornado warning yet? Every county so far that's been impacted by this storm has gotten a tornado warning, except us. I'm happy about that. Why would I not? I don't want to die before Easter. I'm supposed to get. We're under the severe thunderstorm warning, though. This is part 4.
It is booking it here, kind of looking at that circulation with that tornado warning. So some of the areas here that'll be impacted. Amboy very soon, in and around the Amboy High School area, Lee Center around 7:15, and then moving out into some of the more rural areas, some of the townships too. So if you're anywhere within and around that Amboy Sublette area,
What the heck is a city called 12 Mile Corner?
in the level of your
12 Mile Corner? That's a funny city. 12 Mile Corner. That's so funny. I like that one. There's a city called 12 Mile Corner. So far, we're not getting anything yet. 12 Mile Corner. Where's all the severe weather at? We're under a thunderstorm warning. There's nothing out there. What kind of bullshit are they talking about? Well, the storm's. Yeah, it has not even gone here yet. Like, where's all? What? It's a. Bro, Winnebago's not getting a tornado warning. Doesn't Ogle have one too? I think Ogle is under. I think they have a tornado warning, a small one. Doesn't Ogle have a tornado warning too? I thought they did. I'm pretty sure every county so far has a tornado warning. There's the thunder. Yeah. There's a plane way over there. Oh, it's not even thunder. It's that plane I'm looking at in the distance. I would not want to be in a plane in that high in the sky when there's severe weather going on. For real.
This is more of a linear structure. So what we're seeing with this is Jordan mentioned we've got these lower embedded circulations within the zone, and that's when you're going to get these quick spin up tornadoes.
Calm down.
They can still produce quite a bit of damage, and we're really going to be watching this because this line is going to be passing very close here to the station, probably within the next 20 minutes or so. So we're really going to be keeping a very close eye on this. Again,
What? The rotation?
in these severe thunderstorms.
Rotation? Or just the storm?
Winnebago County, Ogle County, and Lee County as well. So let's go through some of these warnings that we have right now, kind of going from south back up to north. So we have that tornado warning out for Lee County, and Amboy, that storm is pretty much right over top of you. Kind of that circulation of what we're looking at is just up to the north, or that little tiny notch that you have in there. And when we kind of look
A
at
notch?
it's
Ooh,
really
that hurts. That's a dangerous one.
But nonetheless, you want to treat it as if there's an actual tornado that has been occurring. So
Why is she holding paper?
very close to
Does the paper have all the information on it for this crap?
south of US 30. So US 52 and US 30. This will come very close to Lee Center in south central Lee County. So anyone within this area, again, you want to make sure that you're seeking shelter. Even if you do not get a quick spin up tornado, wind gusts that are upwards of 70 or maybe even 80 miles per hour are very well possible. But what we're kind of looking at here is where we see a little bit more of kind of that hook. And as Jordan had mentioned, you've got winds that are going out with this storm, and then you've got winds that are coming in. So you've got winds that are pushing it out, which is what we see right here, and then the wind speeds that are going right back in. So that creates some of that circulation. So this is our one tornado warning that we're watching down here in Lee County, and they just keep coming. I tell you, these updates and these warnings just keep coming. Next tornado warning that I want to focus on too is back up through. You still have a warning.
We hit
for parts of
71 today.
Northwest Ogle, but the
Yeah.
worst of that storm has actually passed. So that tornado warning now.
Right now? Right now it's 58 degrees on my phone.
The workshop's freezing.
Right now it's 58 degrees on my phone. My phone says
Well,
58.
it's cement. So, like our garage is cement.
We still do continue with that tornado warning now for eastern portions of Stevenson County, southeastern portions of Stevenson County.
We're going to the basement if we get a warning, right?
Has actually kind of passed.
Have
We'll see what it's like when it gets here.
Or I have a pillow and a blanket
I
ready.
just hope it dies down a little before it gets here.
Yeah, I hope. I don't want to die before Easter.
No, yeah, but dies down before it gets here.
Yeah.
We also have a tornado warning that's been issued and continues to remain in effect here.
Doggos peeking out the damn window.
And that will run until 7:30, 7:45.
The person leaving.
Keeper in the mix of everything that we have out there. But nonetheless, these warnings
So
go
bad.
through
Oh, my shirt keeps falling up.
7:45 and 8
I'm about to edit this video one to the last one.
storms continue to move to the east now at a pretty fast pace.
Part
I
four.
want to look a little bit more at the velocity here. I'm going to flip it back over to Jordan. Jordan, I'm going to give you the reflectivity. And I don't know if maybe we can take the graphics full here because I do want to check on some stuff with the National Weather Service. So I'm going to come back over here to the weather.
Told you we were under this crap, bro.
I'm going to check in.
Somehow we're not getting warning, but pretty sure we got.
Confirmations of anything coming in.
Rockford's getting a little part that's kind of a bow.
The bow.
Just one little section and it's gonna go right through Rockford.
Yeah. So we're gonna get wind.
Stronger wind.
Stronger wind, yeah. Maybe rotation. The towards and away thing. Right now there's a severe thunderstorm warning in Chicago. You can see it. Chicago had a severe storm warning.
Left earlier.
Yeah. Well, those storms are probably in Wisconsin, but they're probably just rain. It's up in Wisconsin now. That was from earlier in the last part. Or no, 2 parts ago, part 2. That was part 2.
To be in effect until 7:45 here this evening. That's what going to be moving off to the northeast at 50 miles per hour. So
I'll tell you, the storms this year have been wicked. Little Rock, Arkansas got it today. Yep.
Destroyed. Little Rock, Arkansas got destroyed by EF4 tornado.
How many people are dead already?
Oh, there's already reported 3 deaths in Little Rock. 3 deaths, and 7 people are injured. Is what found so far. 7 injured and 3 deaths during it. See, there's the tornado warning. See, it's aiming right at us. It's aiming right on the border of Winnebago. Do you think we're going to be in the tornado warning? Oh, 12%, you stupid phone. I hate my phone.
It's in Pecatonica right now.
The rotation?
Yeah.
So that's... We're going to get the tornado warning, I'm pretty sure, right? I'm pretty sure we're getting the tornado warning. There's no rotation there. Where's the rotation? It's not there. Oh, okay. I don't see the rotation right now. Where'd you get that from? Oh. I just got the severe thunder this morning. Oh, back up to 60 again. It's 60 degrees again. Or back up to 60. It's 70 degrees today.
So this whole line of storms continues to move a little bit further off to the east as we continue to see moving.
It's supposed to be very cold next month. Or this month, actually. This month. Am I supposed to call it next month? Even though April is tomorrow. April 1st is tomorrow.
That warning is very important to make sure you are taking that when you see those warnings be issued.
Yeah, and I just wanted to mention here, we've got a new tornado warning that's been
Huh?
issued for southeastern Ogle County, eastern Lee County, and DeKalb County here, and that goes until 8 o'clock.
Tornado warning. There's a tornado warning in DeKalb now.
Capable of producing both tornadoes and destructive straight-line winds over 80
2 tornadoes? You mean twins? There's twin tornadoes in DeKalb. In DeKalb County, there's...
6 miles northeast of
How
South
are you?
down to the Dakota, moving to the
Almost
north
here.
70
Yep, it is.
miles per hour. So this
We're
is
getting a
Yeah,
tornado.
Rock, we got the bow right where we live.
Yeah.
severe thunderstorm warnings
Mhm.
as well as tornado warnings. This is radar
7:27 and it's 7:20.
tornado warning that watching that area of rotation that was just to the north there of Amboy.
My phone's gonna die soon. No. Horrible timing. Now it's on 11%.
And southeastern Ogle County too. So if you are anywhere within the path of this thunderstorm,
Ah!
you want to make sure that you seek shelter in your basement.
Went right at us.
You don't have a basement away from windows. I know a lot of the information we may be repeating, and it sounds like we may be a little bit repetitive. And you may be thinking, hey, get off the air. But we've got numerous tornado warnings with this, and so we don't want to really.
I'm gonna start a new recording on the Chromebook. Huh? I started a new recording on my Chromebook. My phone's not gonna survive much longer. So no radio goes off.
So this line is going to continue to pass to the northeast. If it does not produce a tornado, which it is very well capable of, and remember, it doesn't take even a EF0 wind speed is over.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm now recording my Chromebook. My phone is on 11%. It's not going to survive much longer. I am on my Chromebook now. The rotation is just entering our county now. Recording on my Chromebook. We have severe weather going on right now. It's hard to see with this camera. It's poorer quality in my phone.
We've got a debris signature showing up northwest of Compton, passing over West Brooklyn. So Jordan, let's go ahead and look.
Please don't tell me that's Stevenson.
I do want to take a closer look at that.
Please. No. Go to Amboy. No. Go to Amboy. Okay, good. It's in Lee.
So you're looking for the Compton area.
At least it's in Lee County. No less.
Passing over the West Brooklyn. So you're going to be just to the west, kind of the
According to my current.
So West Brooklyn is up just a little bit there, right there. So that's what we're looking at right now. The new word coming in, we're seeing some signs of rotation along that line coming into western Winnebago County. So this is an indication that we have right now of a debris signature on this. So what you're looking at right now is the radar picking up something in the atmosphere, something in the sky that is not rain, that is not hail. And it is not wind. So this is what we're looking at right now. And we're looking at, if you zoom in a little further, we'll be able to kind of get a close down view. So this is just to the west here. And now it's actually moved because we've got a new radar scan. So this is crossing over 251. This is
Lee County has a live tornado right now, right?
251.
Is there a tornado on the ground there?
What we're looking at.
There's debris. There's so lorely debris. So you guys can see. What is it? Emergency. Tornado warning. Tornado warning on my phone. Tornado warning on the phone.
Be quiet.
So this is something that is really, really important to kind of look at. So as that
There's a tornado warning.
extended now
My life's over.
into portions of
That's the tornado. Sunny. Tornado warning.
Hello?
Tornado warning. Tornado warning.
Central Illinois, Winnebago County,
Tornado warning, guys.
Western McKinney,
There's the tornado warning. I told you we're getting a tornado warning. I wasn't lying.
in north central
Tornado warning.
until 8:30
The first ever tornado warning on this channel.
23 p.m. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and
Both
extended
tornadoes?
straight line wind damage were
Two
located
tornadoes.
along a line extending from Rock City to near Winnebago to 6 miles east of Oregon, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado, 80 miles per hour winds, and quarter-size hail.
80 miles an hour.
Source, radar indicated location.
Are we going to the basement? You want me to turn off my computer?
I wouldn't be worried about the pool. I'd be worried about the fence.
Well, you said both. It's in Pecatonica right now.
We're under tornado warning, guys. We going down? Going down?
Did you take care of your computer?
Tornado sirens. I gotta go. There's tornado sirens going off. We got tornado sirens going off. Happened, guys. We're going down, guys. Ready?
Located along the line extending from near Rock City down to
Sirens.
Winnebago to just 6 miles east of Oregon, moving off to the east.
We are under a tornado warning.
Tornado, 80-mile-per-hour winds as
I'm scared. Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
you are in the line of this thunderstorm, which pretty much takes us all from north
You guys can
Illinois
you guys can hear the sirens?
to our southern county. You need to make sure that you are taking shelter. So one thing I do want to look at this is because we're seeing some areas of
Got it.
rotation
Oh.
within this.
Okay, I don't care.
And some very brief circulation. So I want to go through that and I want to be able to
You're gonna trip on
identify
that.
this just a little bit.
Will you hold something for me?
Leave that up here.
I'm making
Don't need it.
I'm making a video.
Take your phone.
We're going back on the phone, guys. We are under a tornado
Wells
warning.
Park, McChesney Park.
Alright. We are under a tornado warning, guys.
And Marengo, these storms are moving in your direction, and you need to seek shelter.
You can hear the sirens outside.
East at about 50 miles.
Oh, you guys can hear them?
So it looks like maybe some of that rotation. I don't know if you have any other radar source that you can see here.
I turned off my computer in the
I
Chromebook
see
one.
maybe a little bit, I want to say, to the northwest here of Winnebago. Getting in
That's us.
towards that.
No, we're in Rockford.
The Pecatonica area.
We're in Rockford.
I know.
We're over here.
And then extending down. See a lot of
This is
wind
not good.
signature
We're on a
with this,
tornado warning.
and the wind kind of extending even further here, getting just to the west of I-30.
Are you sure you're not going down, Grandpa? It's unsafe.
Quite a bit of damage, and what we're looking at right now, we've got our SkyTrack kind of positioned in that as well. This is over downtown Rockford.
I'm shaking.
And we're looking
I'm scared.
here. I believe it is over the downtown Rockford.
You see the lightning on the Rockford cam?
Again,
That's Rockford right there.
We'll keep this view up because I want to keep that camera up.
I'm literally shaking. My hands. You can see the position on the camera.
We're staying safe here in these.
I told you we're gonna get a tornado warning. I freaking told you and you didn't listen to me.
But there's a little bit of a notch here. What we're kind of looking at. This is just to the southwest here of the downtown Rockford, southeast of Winnebago. So this is kind of right along Montague Road, where there may potentially, I see a little bit of a notch here. So let's go ahead and
notch.
put on the velocity. And Jordan, you can, chime in if you see anything.
Are we going or something?
Joey here as well. You're
That's
on
safe up here.
Marina in the weather center.
Sonny, we got a tornado warning. We gotta go downstairs.
Tornado warning, which includes all of Winnebago County.
He's ready.
He's ready.
Going down.
Are you ready?
He's looking down.
Yeah. Ready?
Your dog's at the door.
We're going down, guys.
Isn't that cute? He senses, huh?
We're going down, guys. Tornado warning in effect. We are under the warning. My phone has 9% charge. So where are we going? Sit right here?
What is it, Sonny?
Are we going?
Storm?
Are we going here? Bricks?
That's the best area, I think.
I think basement bathroom would be best.
Because you got here and here.
Yeah.
And this.
Yeah.
That's brick.
Yeah, but there's windows over there and the door there. Are we sitting down here?
You can sit here for now.
Well, I have the blanket and the pillow.
God, it stinks down here.
It does. We are under a tornado warning.
Where are they shut?
I don't know. We are under a tornado warning. We could hear the sirens going off. I'm back on the phone. I'm nervous. I'm nervous back here. Tornado warning for us. I told you we're gonna get a tornado warning. I wasn't lying. You should have listened to me. We got a tornado warning.
What is it, bud? Huh? Be a storm?
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Winnebago County. Shit. We're safe down here, though, right? We're under the ground. Well, there's a notch. There's literally going to be a tornado we could get confirmed. If we get a confirmed tornado, my life's over. At least it's just radar indicated, right? Where are you going? Because I had the pillows and blanket. I told you we had a high chance of getting a tornado warning. I told you I would be surprised if we didn't get a tornado warning. We're down in the basement right now. It's been 3 years since we've had a tornado warning, and it's blue. We are under another tornado warning after 3 years without one, Nana. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I hate tornadoes. For real. I hate them. This sucks. Tornado warning. We're under tornado warning. So we're stupid. We're fricked. We're under tornado warning. There's a tornado warning. And Grandpa's staying upstairs, which is a horrible idea, isn't it? This is not safe. Tornado warning. I'm scared. I don't feel as much scared right now because it's just a radar indicated, so I'm not the end of my life. Do you think one will touch down?
I hope not.
Hope not. Where are you going? If we hear the sirens again, that means there's probably a tornado on the ground. Tell Dad we're under a tornado warning. Tell Dad we're under a tornado warning. Oh, text Dad and tell him. Did you hear the sirens? Tell him we're under a tornado warning. I can't text him right now. I'm in the middle
I
of.
already know. They're in the basement.
Yeah. We're under a tornado warning. My phone's on 8%. How long do most warnings last? The power's flickering. Did you see it? Power's flickering. Is that thunder? Or is that a tornado? See the power? Why is the power doing that? Why is the power doing that? I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Going towards the brick wall. Wait, come on back over here. We're in a dangerous situation. I'm afraid the power's gonna go on. Sonny, you gotta come down. It's not safe. We have a tornado. Come on. Come down. We have a tornado warning. Sonny, come here. Come here. We have... The tornado's right over here. I can hear stuff. I can hear something getting destroyed over here. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh. I can hear shit over here doing something. This is a tornado warning, guys. This is the first tornado warning for me on this channel. We have a tornado warning. That was the power. Hi, Sandy. I'm gonna go and sit down. Get comfy. I'm gonna go and sit down, guys. I'm just going sitting down. The power's flickering, Nana. I'm scared. I'm nervous. Are we going back up?
Sonny, come on.
Are we gonna lose power? I don't want to lose power again. That was a nightmare. Are you scared too? Are you scared? I'm nervous. I don't want to be trapped down here in the dark in a basement. The power's been flickering. There's a tornado warning. What was that? Is that just the rain and wind? What is that?
Rain.
Oh. I'm very scared, guys. I kind of feel going back up.
No.
I don't want to. Sonny, come on.
Come here, Sonny. Come on.
Is it coming towards like the bottom right corner of Rockford? Because that's where
Sonny,
we
come
are.
here.
Sonny, come on.
Come on.
Down. Come here with me. Come here, baby.
Go with Cody.
Come here.
Here, go with Cody.
Come here, buddy. We have a tornado warning. Come on. Come here, buddy. I'm going to protect you. Seriously, come here.
Stay.
Is he trying to hump?
No.
He's just scared too?
He knows.
Yeah.
Animal sense.
Is that a tornado on the ground? Is it destroying things?
It's rain.
Grandpa's not safe up there. Why is he not coming down? Why won't Grandpa come down? Why won't Grandpa come down? He's just scratching lottery tickets. I have a pillow. I brought a pillow with me. This is scary, guys. Tornado warning. My phone's on 7%. I'm gonna die. power. See the power? Is that hail? Is that the tornado?
It's hail.
The tail? Grandpa, why didn't he come down? There's hail. Shut up. Is the tornado gonna destroy our house? Where's it going? Is it just going through top?
I don't know what's going on right now. I'm down here.
Yeah. I'm gonna go and go, guys. I gotta go look at the radar before this phone dies and not waste my charge. I'm gonna go ahead and record when this tornado warning's over. Alright, guys, you're back. Oh, we're still under a tornado warning. We came back up. It's calmed down. So we're back upstairs. We've been downstairs for about 20 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. Maybe a little bit more. Right now we're seeing a lot of lightning outside. See the lightning? Lightning in the clouds is insane.
The weather service to see if any additional information has come out. But let's go ahead and look at our velocity with this. And remember, velocity shows us where we have spin or where we have, kind of rotation
Just lightning.
within this line.
Did it leave us, the rotation?
And you can see some of these numbers
Where's the rotation at?
that have formed with this. We're going to kind of work our way.
It looks like it moved out to my mom's. To my mom's.
And one area where I would say probably where we're experiencing some fairly strong winds would be kind of right through the DeKalb region.
We just got back. We're still under the tornado warning yet.
And Jordan, I'll move your radar down there too. So
Rockford's out of power.
to
Well, the city's out of power, Nana.
Yeah, it is.
mention anything with that is
It's out of power, the city.
yeah, we've got our Poplar Grove camera here down in
The city's out of power.
Poplar Grove.
Oh, that's in Poplar Grove, not Rockford?
produced by these thunderstorms. There's so much moisture in the atmosphere. So
Poplar Grove's out of power.
They have some.
Yeah.
too, just because of all
But they don't have power?
one thing that's caught my attention a little bit is kind of how that structure is blowing out a little bit between the DeKalb and Sycamore region.
Are they talking about us so if we know if the rotation's going yet or not?
And remember, these are winds that are going to be in excess of 70 to
Our lights were flickering, Grandpa.
are now crossing
Was the lights flickering up here too, Grandpa?
the Kingston area.
A little bit.
And for you folks there in Genoa too. So heads up, you could have some pretty strong winds as those come in.
You may have touched in on this, but there have been a couple of
Oh, whoa. Did you see that one, Nana?
around Lee County. A train spotter about 7:29 p.m. said there were several trees down at a campsite near Tower Road and near Woodhaven Lakes. So that's one report that we have gotten, and there's a couple of more down there.
It doesn't look too bad, doesn't it?
Spotters, mostly just saying that they had thunderstorm wind.
Is it safe being by the window, though?
Kind of in that area.
Chair. That's a good idea.
A little bit of the rotation, I believe, down in that region, down there in Lee County. So far, those have been the reports that we have gotten.
We're still under the tornado warning yet. We're still under a tornado warning. I'm just gonna sit here and cover up with the blanket and get comfy.
Davies County or Carroll County. So maybe that's a good sign. But
At least this is going fast, Nana.
come in yet.
At least we didn't get a confirmed tornado. That's good.
We did have
We're just lucky we didn't get anything bad. This tornado warning wasn't that bad.
county from earlier as
But guess what? The storm's leaving, Nana. It's getting out of here.
where we've got
So early getting out of here.
all clear now from Steve.
I can do two things at once on a Chromebook. So I can put my Chromebook up, or put my video up there, and I can open stuff. I can look at the radar on here.
That storm has passed. We do have that tornado warning that continues for DeKalb County. That goes until
So I'm gonna check out warnings here.
30 here. Actually, let's
I'm
just
checking the radar, but you guys won't be able to see. You guys can just see my face.
share with these warnings.
I have myself recording with the camera.
7:40.
Oh wait, why am I going to YouTube? I don't want to go to YouTube. This tornado warning was better than I thought it was, Nana. And the storm itself was better than I thought it was. Than I thought it would be.
Strong winds, even if you do not get a tornado. So it's not going to be a tornado or anything that we see here that's going to be along the entire duration of that line, but instead you've got these little embedded circulations that have been coming in as well. Let's see, Jordan, you were looking, you can come on over here too, Jordan. I know you and Savannah and Joy were looking a little bit. Any additional information or anything to add with this?
Well, we have heard
Oh, hold on, I'm just checking, guys. You guys won't be able to see. You just see my face.
Okay.
I'm not sure are we
Oh, Rockford's not even in the warning anymore, Nana.
okay, so
Or not even in it anymore.
on the scanners,
We're out.
show you while we're reading them off, but in particular, here in Rockford, Spring Creek and Alpine.
Confirmed tornado in Belvedere.
Down that might be on the road.
There's a confirmed tornado where my mom is.
Fire, at East State and Prospect, or State and Prospect, there's a tree.
Sonny, stop.
in a car. So it does appear that we've heard some of these reports of possibly some of the damage that's been occurring, both out in Stevenson County as well as here in Winnebago County.
Okay, so now some of these reports are starting to come in. They're filtering into our newsroom with this line as it moved through earlier to the west of us. And these would be along some of those, not only where we have the really strong winds, but also where
Mom's under
we
confirmed
have,
tornado.
as we're looking out towards the Montague and Baileyville area
Alright.
of Stevenson County there, kind of in parts of
There's some
Stevenson County.
hail bits coming down out the window. You can see the lightning
Where we
too.
could have had some damage with some farmsteads.
I have to come because my phone's not doing too well.
To confirm that a little bit.
I managed to drop to 4%, so it's very dim.
But that's some of the information that we have been receiving here within the newsroom on our scanners that have been coming in. So these storms do mean business, and that's why we tell you you want to make sure that you are seeking shelter with this. Even if
We're not
you
under
do
anymore. It
have
left our
the
area.
persistent of tornado, you get an 80-mile-per-hour wind gust, and that is really going to do some damage. So right now we're looking up here into Rock County. We've got several tornado warnings that have been issued, and as we look a little bit further with our velocity, and we continue to get a lot of reports that are either printing out or
I gotta go
in the National
to my room, charge my phone so I can call my mom.
chat too.
I gotta go call my mom and tell her she's under confirmed. My mom is a confirmed tornado.
Walworth County, that's in
Mom is a confirmed tornado.
Eastern Rock County, and that also
Hey.
goes until 8:30.
Little somebody in the fence.
Rotation, so that warning continues
In Belvedere? Yeah, that's what Cody said.
There's a confirmed there. I gotta call mom. My mom's under confirmed tornado. I'm gonna quickly go charge my phone. My phone's on 3%. Oh, my lights go up. There we go. You didn't lose power. Our lights were flickering. Okay, we're gonna call my mom. My mom's under confirmed tornado warnings.
Yeah. He's little.
Call my mom.
Aww. Well, you got a peeing machine out here. Yeah, that's how he was here yesterday.
Hello.
Hey, mom.
Hey.
You are under a confirmed tornado warning. You need to take shelter.
We already did, buddy.
Here.
When the sirens went off like 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, we just came up from the basement because our tornado warning expired.
I know.
Mhm.
Yep. We've been in the basement for like 30 minutes. We're good.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yep.
We're on top of it. No worries, Maddie. Maddie's upset.
About
Fine.
about what?
She's just worried about the weather.
Oh,
It's
Scary.
fine.
we had radar indicated rotation, but I wasn't that scared about it. I was prepared. I had a blanket and a pillow. I just sat under the blanket. We didn't lose power. Our power flickered. Poplar Grove is out of power.
Poplar Grove?
Yep.
It's probably skipped by us then.
Yeah, our lights were flickering here, but we didn't lose our power.
No, we flickered too a couple of times, but
Yeah, you're like in the middle of a tornado warning right now.
we know.
Yeah, and it's confirmed. So,
I know.
yep, it's on the ground.
All right.
All
We
right.
got it. You don't have to scare Maddie anymore, okay? We know. All right, kiddo. She's worried, so
Yeah.
okay.
Yep.
We're good.
All right.
All right. Love you.
Love you
we'll
too.
touch after the storm passes, okay?
Yep.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye. There we go. We have just gone through our first tornado warning on this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.